What's up, guys? How you doing? Today I'm going to be doing a review on the C2-650X JL Audio 6.5 inch speakers. I already have the front ones in the car and they sound sick. I bought them all around, so it's going to be like a sound test video. So this is the actual speaker. It's 6.5 inch. It's built really nice, and so far it bumps. I have them in the front of the car already, and I'm going to be throwing them in the back, which I'm doing right now. So they're in both the front over there and over here. So here's the original speakers that were in the car. They sound like trash, and honestly they cracked. Otherwise I would do it before and after. Like, these are really bad. But one problem I've been running into is the back magnet on this is bigger, so you have to space it out. I bought these little washers, and yeah, so the washers are holding it out from the actual door, which lets the window go down all the way. So I'm gonna get this going. Alright guys, so these are like your typical old OEM stereos. I got all the new JL Audio 6.5 inch speakers in. The mic on this isn't the best, but I think you'll be able to tell the difference. Alright, so this is on, it's a good volume, about 3/4 on my iPhone with an aux, and let's hear it. The bass is like unbelievably clean for what it is. I don't know if you can hear well with this. I give them like a 9.5 out of 10 because, I mean, also it depends on your stereo unit, but for this, 9.5. I might swap another one in from another car that I have with the JL Audio sub, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna do one more song, change it up a little bit. This one's my buddy Sean Turk. No Drama. It's more of like a pop song instead of a trap.
She wanna party, yeah, she always get it for free, bottles and bottles, yeah, she drink her problems away.
It's loud for the car.
Perkins and Molly, yeah, that's all that she ever play. She don't wanna drama, no. She just sip the fun, do the coke. All she wanna do is rock and roll. All she wanna do is
holy shit, these are good. I give this actually a 10 out of 10. So if you want these speakers, I couldn't even play them before because my other ones were like completely cracked every song. So I think these speakers speak for itself, man. Definitely get them if you're looking. I looked up some YouTube videos, I didn't see anything, so.
Take off your clothes and roll with me. Let's play a song and show to see. She wanna get fucked up, yeah, she do this shit every day. Love the way she feel. Love the way, said she love the way, said she love the way she feel.
Alright guys, so that's it. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll gladly send you whatever. Especially over time, I'll see how these hold up. But JL Audio is really good. Probably gonna throw my sub in here, and yeah. So thank you for watching. Quick little video. I'm super busy with everything, so almost at 300 subs. I appreciate that. And have a good night, guys. Peace out.